Hello everyone. Now we'll be learning how to make this out of a leaf. Start off by taking your palm leaf and then make a strip out of it. Take two of these strips and then intertwine them as such. After you are done with one of the sides, bend it downwards and then do the same again. Put them one on top of the other, make them overlap. Now once you have done the other side as well, pull it through the first initial side that you have created. Then cover up the sides as such. Make it go as per its natural flow. At the end you should get a triangular-like shape. Make sure that all of the gaps are filled. Put it at the top and then alternate between them. Finally, put the last section through the bottom as such. Once you are done with this, you should be left with some excess leaf. You may cut off these leaves. It is also very easy to break them up. Make sure that it is put tightly. Don't forget to make it go one last round at the top to make a sharp top edge for this triangular piece. Next, this is what we will be making. In order to make this, we will need a lot of sticks. So for this, start off by taking a lot of branches of hay. Then cut each of them up into multiple small pieces as such. Taking the long ones initially, put them together in a cross shape and then bend them as such. Bend each of the long pieces all around the center as such. This will make it all the more firm. Continue to do this and then this should spread out just a little bit. It should begin to make a slight rectangular-like shape. Keep bending it one on top of the other until you get this shape. As you progress to the top, make it tighter and tighter as you go. It should move in a circular shape and then once you reach the top, wrap the longest strand around the others and then cut it up slightly. Now we'll be learning how to make this pineapple. You can start off by either taking some grass or a palm leaf and then strip it into multiple pieces. Then put one on top of the other and then you should have formed this kind of cross shape. Fold one piece over the other and then do this one more time. Now lift them all up together and then taking each alternate piece, interlock them in the part right next to it. Now continue to do this until you form this ball-like structure. Once you have formed this, tightly knit it up together. Now do the same but in the opposite direction. Last time it was downwards and this time it will be upwards. Now once you are done this, pull this up tight. Once again, pull it up through the top so that it re-enters and comes out through the top. Once you are done with this, tie the longest piece around all of the others and then tie it up in place. You should get a pineapple shape. Next, take two of these kind of leaves, fold it into half together and then as for the top, make a knot out of it. Once you open it up, it should look a little like a butterfly. Fold it outwards as such to make the wings. Now we'll be learning how to make this ring. In order to do this, we'll need some hay grass or some wheat. Tie a knot out of it. This should make the top of it. As for the other two strands, intertwine them one on top of the other and then make a ring shape out of it. Now, in order to make this, you'll start off by taking some clay. Roll it up into a big ball, flatten it, then add the eyes, the mouth and the cute little tongue. At the top, line it with some of this hay. Do the same at the back as well and then attach a stick to it. Next, take a leaf and then make multiple threads out of it by tearing it up. Put one into the other, interlock them as such. Pull it out ever so slightly and then alternatively add grass pieces of the same size to it. Put them one on top of the other, then interlock them as such. Finally, fill in the sides as well and you should form a sort of cuboid shape. Cut off the excess, fill it up with some food and then once again lock it up. Put it one inside the other and this is what you should have formed. Thank you for watching.